How I sold 4 million plastic bums into 26 countries by not selling them. The year was around 2000 and indoor smoking bans came in and there was cigarette butts everywhere. And I thought, I've got to do something about it. And I said to my mate, I think I've invented the first personal ashtray. And he told me they've been around for years and there was about 13 or 14 on the market. And I thought, well, why aren't people using them and why aren't they effective? Well, as you would have seen, there's a bum on it, a butt. Butt, cigarette butt, human butt. So the first thing was it stood out. It was different to everything else on the market. The second most important thing that you need to think about is we didn't sell the personal ashtrays. We created cigarette butt litter reduction campaigns and we sold the solution. By selling the solution that had the actual product itself, we sold 4 million plastic bums into those 26 countries. So another lesson, sell the solution, not the pieces. Sell the programs, the payoff, not the pieces. And the other thing that you need to think about as a lesson here, sell the system, not yourself. So we were selling a solution to a big product and we weren't in there competing with all of the others that were selling the bits and the pieces. Now, are you selling the pieces? Are you selling what you do? Are you selling your coaching, your hours, the bits that go in the box? Or are you selling the payoff? What's coming up real soon, I've got Self-Selling Summer School where I'm going to be pulling all of this apart and putting it back together again to show you how you can actually sell yourself without all the stress, without all the hype, and get a higher valued client coming to you knowing why they should work with you. So wherever you are seeing this, there's going to be a link around here. Grab your seat to the Self-Selling Summer School where I'm going to help you make a bigger impact and create a bigger income. We'll see you there. Cheers.